Hello friends, today we'll discuss about Tkinter module. Now Tkinter is a module which is used in GUI library application of Python, and Tkinter will make the use of GUI application very easy and faster. And first we will import the module by calling import Tkinter. We will see the simple function, that is which will be the main 3 lines. These 3 lines should be present for every Tkinter. That is import Tkinter, t equal to Tkinter dot tk and t dot main loop. Here t is the master window of the Tkinter function, that is this. Here you will see the box on that one. And now here we will say Tkinter, this means that is inbuilt functions in present in the Tkinter. We can see the inbuilt functions by using the inbuilt dir of Tkinter, means we will get these functions. And today we will see some of them. That is, today we are going to see the function of button. Button function is used to display the text or a image. The main syntax of the button is w equal to button of t comma optional, and we should use w dot path after this completion. And now here optional means we can use any of these. If you don't want to use, means you can also not use, but we should use text equal to apostrophe string any string. If you did not insert any string, then it will not create any button, just a small box like that. And now we will see the module in the Python module. And here you can see a function. Now first import Tkinter, and then t dot Tkinter dot main loop tk. Here we should use t equal to, and then t dot main loop. And then we save it and run the program. Here you can see this is the Tkinter main loop function. And now we will use button function. That is, we'll take button as b equal to Tkinter dot button of. First we should call the master window, that is t, and then we can use the backgrounds. That is, first we will see one by one. First we need to enter text equal to any string. That is, now we'll take it as Dinesh REDDY. And then now we'll use active background. And its color will be green. You can take any green, red, blue and all. And now we should pack that function into the module. And now we'll use Ctrl S and then run the module. Here you can see Dinesh REDDY, and if you press that one, means it will show green color. I think you understand that one. And now we will see the active foreground color, that is the color of the word Dinesh REDDY. Here you can see that. Now we'll continue this. active foreground. We'll take it as blue, and now we'll run the function. Here if you press this one, the background will be green and the color of the letters will be blue. I think you can see that. Okay, and now we'll use border, means we'll use BD equal to, actually its border will be 2, we'll use 10. First we'll use 2, 3 and see how it will be, and then we'll use the bigger words. One minute. Oh shit. It is so small, so it is saved in the corner. Now we'll go this here. Here you can see Dinesh Reddy. Now the border, means here some black, slightly black color you can see now. That is the border. And now we'll use some bigger values. That is like we'll use 10 or 13. Then you can see the difference. Now we'll see 10 and run the program. Here you can see the size, the border has been increased. When you press green color border and inside the colors blue, and after this background color, that is if you see in here now. Now we will see the background color equal to red. And run the function. Run the module. Here you can see the background color as red, and if you press, means it will be green, like that. And similar to that foreground color also, we will see command afterwards. And font means the style which you want, the size of the word, like that. And we'll see about height. We'll take height as 14 and run the module. Here you can see height, and similarly width also will be there. That is WID width equal to, we'll take 12 and run. Width also increase. And now we will see command, that is we will clear all of this which are not required. We should require command. For using command, before we should define a function, that is def will take a function as yes, and then print of Dinesh. Now we'll run this program. First we need to command it. command equal to yes. Now we'll run. If you press Dinesh REDDY, then here it will print. Actually, we can use message box, but I did not explain about it. In the next class, we will see that one. And I think here image means we can import the image. For importing the image and all, there is one more class. By this, I am clear with the button function. Thank you for watching my videos.
I think I am clear with my class today. If you have any doubts, we will discuss about it in my Telegram channel. This is Dinesh Reddy signing out. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel Learners Ka Back.